Well, hello again. This video is about an upgrade that my son and I made to the brake drum forge that I built for him for his Christmas present. And I'll put a link to that build in the upper right hand corner of this video. At the end of the video of the build of the brake drum forge, I mentioned that I'd like to make one more improvement. And that improvement was to build a rack at the end of the forge that the workpiece could be laid on so that the end would rest in the best part of the fire of the forge. And that's what we've done here. In addition, at the end of this video, I give my son some pointers on how to weld. He's just starting and he's doing a pretty good job at it. The other thing that I've done with this video is someone suggested that I use the audio portion of the video and talk while I did the video, and I've tried doing that here. And what I found out is that if I'm going to do that, I need a better microphone. So here we go. So the drum is kind of like that.
So we probably want to be in at an angle about like that. So at this spot, how high is it?
10 inches.
Okay, so
We don't rack 10 inches high. Yeah, well, the reason I say make 14s is because this will go up and then we'll put the bar in between, and then you have end caps so it can't slide off the end.
okay, that makes sense.
Now you need a piece 13 and 15/16. You want to cut the outside edge. There. Now we need what? A couple gussets.
Hot?
Yes.
No.
Got 2 uprights, 1 cross brace. This will go like that. That'll go like that.
Okay.
That'll work. Alright, so in order to get a good weld, you got to take the paint off. So just grade about that much. So these are the uprights. So give yourself about an inch reveal there just so it looks half decent. That's an inch. And just put a
tack right there so it stays there. Go tack all the way across.
Okay. There you go.
I'd say that's pretty good.
Set.
Okay, it looks like I'm not the only one that burns himself on these projects. I don't feel so lonely now. So another thing I've learned is that if I'm going to make the audio while I'm doing the video, I'm going to have to remember to turn the welder off because it makes so much noise.
Pretty sure. Is that past the grind?
Yeah, it's all right. Weld up the rest of it.
Start on the outside?
Yeah, I do right there. So, you start right here,
Yeah.
and you kind of go like this.
A little circle.
Alright, about that speed.
Alright.
Except you missed. You're too high. You're up on there, you're not down there. You gotta go across both pieces. So go from the weld to this now.
From here to here.
Yeah. And your wire is too long. You're too far away from the gas, so you gotta get a little closer.
Okay. It's not pretty, but it'll work.
That's not bad. So do the same thing here. Circle, you gotta go, you come from this, go to this, back. Missed the edge. No, but you see, now that's not bad at all. That's actually pretty good.
Don't touch it.
Because you went from one piece to the next.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. So do the same thing right there.
What about that?
And cut it off. You don't really have to cut it off. You can just start. You know, you just start.
I can't see the edge of the material.
I missed. I still missed.
Somehow. Put me in there.
Yeah, you gotta get from here to there. Yeah, hey, and your wire's way too long. You see you're an inch away from the...
Yeah, I know.
So you're going to lose your shielding. So you can push that right in. Again, it's not pretty, but it'll work. So do those. You got 3 there. 1, 2, 3. So that one's good. So you suck right down in, you pile a little too much material there, but that's a good weld there. Okay. All right. One, you got 3 there. Good weld. See how it's sucked down in? You got too much material there and way too much material there. See how it's all globbed up? Yeah. But those are strong welds. Remember when I did. So now same thing here, same thing there. Is make caps for that. Just cut it off of that. Beautiful flares. Like that, and you tack it on. You pound it down and weld the rest. There's a chip.
So I didn't explain what the trick was very well, but what you do is you stick a piece of MIG welding wire on the little piece of metal that you want to weld in as a cap in the end of the tube, and then you can cut that wire off and use it to hold the piece in place while you weld it into the end of the tube. No, the grindings were not going in the face, they were going across the workbench.
That might be a little hot, you may not want to touch it. There's a ground right through the weld there on that side, so you got to touch it back up again. You got to stick that.
Okay, we're getting to the end here. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up.
I should be wearing a mask for this.
Oh, you got ventilation.
If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos.
You gotta get it this edge of the lip, yeah.
So it looks like he just realized what's ahead. It's time to put this thing together, put some coal in it, fire it up, and start doing some blacksmithing. It's not like it's cold out and you'll get too hot. Could this possibly be a future video? Have a good day.